So in this iPhone tutorial video, I am going to show you how to change the default email app on the iPhone. So once the iPhone is opened up, go to the settings app, and once you're on the settings page, scroll down to the bottom to where you come across apps and select that. Then at the top where it says default app, select that. And then the first option says email, go ahead and select that. Once you're on this page, you can select your default email app. So you can change this from Mail to Gmail just by pressing on it, Outlook, whatever your default email app you want it to be. Make sure that it is checked. And if you read the little blurb below, it says Mail will be used to compose new emails. If you have multiple email apps, you can change the default. And if I were to go to Gmail, it then says Gmail is. So go ahead, select your email app to become your default email app this way. So that is how to change the default email app on the iPhone. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.